So let's solve equations but with radicals. So the one key that you have to understand is there's just one rule. So the rule goes like this. So it's get the radical by itself. Get the radical by itself. Okay? That's it. That's all we're gonna do. So let's just look at one example, yeah. So we have 2 minus radical x is equal to radical x. Okay? So the idea is we want to get the radical by itself. So we have like 3 radicals here, so we cannot get one by itself. So first of all, we're going to have to just solve this normally. Solving by algebra, we square both sides, and when we do so, we get 2 minus radical x equals x. Okay, now we have one radical, right? So when we get one radical, then we have to get the radical by itself, okay? So we have to get this guy by himself. So we just subtract 2 from both sides. Yeah, you subtract 2. Then you multiply by -1 for both sides. Alright, we got the radical by itself. Now we just use algebra and we're going to square both sides. You get x is equal to, when we square this guy, let's see, -x plus 2, you get x squared, and you get plus 4x plus 4, and then we solve the equation. But the most important thing we have to take away from this is that we're gonna have to get the radical by itself, because one time I didn't know this rule and I was trying to solve the equation but I just couldn't. But you have to get the radical by itself. So that's how we solve equations with radicals.